If you want to connect printer on your Motorola Signature, what you can do is you can go to Settings, then choose Connected Devices. After that, we're gonna go to Connection Preferences, and then we have the printing option. Now we have the default print service, so we can go ahead and select it, and you might be able to find your printer here on this list. And if you don't, of course, you can select it and try to connect with it. And on the other hand, in some other cases, you will have to go back and we need to press Add Service in order to find the Play Store with different additional plugins, and that might help you find your printer again. So once you choose the proper app over here for your printer, then you should be able to use it quite easily. And in some other cases, what you might need to do is you might need to check the manual of your printer in order to find out which app you need to, or what app actually you need to install in order to make it actually work, in order to connect the printer with your phone. Because in some cases, the printers, different printers with some specific models might require you actually to install specific apps. And in that case, that's why you need to check the manual in that specific case. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.